What's next?
Next, I'll take out the Awakened Upholder, because that newts. So I'm just going to go ahead and switch my drones to it now.
I have 2 drone supercarriers on the grid at once.
And defenders or preservers next?
I'll just kill the preserver really quick since it reps. I'm going to kill the last 2 defenders easy. And now without the battleship and the newts on grid, your tank is like more than sustainable for the defender DPS.
Yep.
As long as you don't drop beneath like 30% capacitor, if you shut off your active rep, your cap regenerates surprisingly quickly. So I'll try and like cycle mine off when I'm at like 99, 98% shields, let it drop down to about 60% if the damage isn't coming in too quickly. Let my capacitor charge up a little bit, go back up some more, just if I'm under pressure.
Right. I was going to ask about that. Thank you.
What did I need to bring out salvage drones, correct?
Salvage 1s, or I would bring salvager 2s as well. Salvager 2s and salvage drone 1s. Make sure you can use the salvage drone, the salvager 2s.
I just need to bite the bullet and train and do salvaging 5 so I can use salvage drone 2s.
It's worth it. You can get dunks too. I don't know how expensive they are.
Like 3 mil a pop, something like that. Maybe a little bit more. I think it's about as much as augmented, like light combat drones, I'd say. And if you're doing the solo, by yourself solo, it would just take a little bit longer. And for your troubles, you get 41.1 ISK in blue loot, and a little bit more if you take the time to salvage these wrecks.
Nice.
So I'm going to save the location of this MTU.
Those dunk salvager drones are only 5 mil a pop.
Yeah, bring those. I got a big salvage opportunity for you, but you're gonna need stuff you can use.
So if you want the salvage from these combat anomalies, Harveston or whoever's bringing in a salvager, I'll put them in the other bookmarks folder, and they'll just be called salvage. Okay, does my MTU have all the wrecks? Yes, it does. So what I will do solo.
A module has run out of charges.
Open cargo. I will take this. I'll pick up my MTU. You can pick up that left behind can. That's roughly half of the site loot.
Thanks, man.
And if you want to go try one by yourself, you can go ahead and stream to me. I can watch your stream, and I can kind of, when things start going hairy. Or if you got questions, I can try and help you out while I do my site.
The Fortification Frontier, I'll do Uniform Yankee Whiskey.
Is that the one we're already at or no?
No, it's 6AU away.
All right, cool. I'll do EJY. It'll just take you about 20 minutes to get to that jet can.
I made it already.
Oh, do you have an MTU?
No, I was just thinking that. Fuck it.
Does anybody happen to have an MTU they could put on Solo's site? Harvison, I think you have one in your cargo hold.
I do not.
You took it out?
Well, yeah, because there's so much cargo space needed for the drone overmine sites, and I was doing those more often.
It's alright. Might be worth just going back or taking a break and doing some later. Otherwise, you get a fly to all the loot's dropping off the individual racks, isn't it? There's no can you hack there or anything.
Damn, I just killed 2 supercarriers at once.
You're just going balls to the wall, warping to those supercarriers. I'd be too scared to.
I did in the
Yeah.
Rattlesnake. And they sent reinforcements.
Wow.
I recorded it.
Can you make me commander so I can use this filament?
You
Yeah,
should drop
here.
fleet and do a fleet with yourself.
Oh, yeah, I guess that's true.
Hey, what's up, Wilson? Oh, Reese is here too.
Mm-hmm.
Stop.
Wilson, you got
Just-
a salvager?
Nope.
You guys are fucking useless.
Yep, pretty much.
I have to go to Arv and do it myself. It's okay, I need to get the money then.
No, you said there's money. What am I getting?
2 supercarrier wrecks.
I got you, bro. Where's it? In Arv?
At Korea.
That's so far.
It's 2 jumps, dude.
But in a salvager, I'm gonna get wrecked by Kiki.
If you
I
like,
don't think
if you
so.
come in like a Noctis or something, yeah.
I mean, he's there in his rattlesnake, so.
Okay, now I fucked up.
Oh shit, I want to get a rattlesnake.
I aggroed onto the Trigs by accident.
Oh dear.
Oh,
This is not going to end well.
We're gonna see right now.
If you attack any sort of like drifter or drone, Trigs will aggro you.
On the way.
oh, so you should be able to get out of your ship, right, and then get back in.
I'm just trying to kill him.
Oh, you were so close to 3.0.
Oh shit, does that work?
Oh, they're breaking me.
Can you live stream it so we can watch and laugh at you?
I'm recording it. Don't worry.
You're the best.
Actually, I'm totally gonna get out. The smart bomb, dude. The smart bomb is the way.
Based wormholing is not even checking D-scan because I accept that whatever's coming at me is going to have a cloak on it.
Based as fuck.
Got our wormholes?
Yeah, we're doing like C3s in out of Potchman.
Shit, I should go do that.
Go to Allah. We have a C2 bookmark, and you can go through there, and then we have a C3 bookmark.
Don't tempt me. I got the perfect thing for that. I'll go salvage these wrecks real quick. Where's it at? My good friend Chaz.
Yeah, make sure you're not aggroed to the Trigs.
I'm good. I got my standings. Is it on the what location is it?
23.
Active.
I got out. As soon as I warped off, they de-aggroed me.